All right, lots of cloudiness today, especially across central Virginia. The clouds did thin out a little bit more farther to the west. Kenneth Johnston captured a little bit of the sunshine glimmer this morning, and the eastern skies was cresting the Blue Ridge, but again, a lot of clouds prevailed. Temperature right now of 58, only made it up to a high of 61 today, so below average. Throughout much of the day, we've had an easterly component to the wind. It is starting to shift now more out of the south, and we will have milder conditions taking us into tomorrow. Take a look at numbers in the Shenandoah Valley, where we find 57, afternoon high of 60. Again, skies are still mostly cloudy, pretty uniform. Most of us are still in the mid to upper 50s at this hour. So with the clouds in place here tonight, not expecting any rain with those clouds, but we'll see temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50. So it will be cool, but not as cold with any frost conditions. Election Day 2024, polls open at 6 a.m. and afternoon highs will climb into the low 70s. So it will be a milder afternoon to enjoy. No weather concerns to impede you from voting. Now, the next big thing besides Election Day tomorrow will be the warmth of Wednesday. If you remember Halloween last week, we were in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. Well, this will be our warmest day of this week as we reach those levels once again. 15 or more degrees above average for this time of year, which is basically anywhere from the upper 50s to low 60s across the region. So there's our warmth on Wednesday. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, the next cold front will come through, but unfortunately, not a whole lot of rain with that. It will knock the temperatures down into the late week. It's been basically a month now since we had last measurable rain. And of course, October was our fourth driest on record for Charlottesville. So here we are on Thursday with a few spotty showers. And then we'll wait until the second half of the weekend, maybe a better chance on Sunday with the next storm system. In the meantime, high pressure is extending down from New England, influencing the weather here across the mid-Atlantic. As that moves farther east, we'll have more of a southerly wind plus a warm front approaching, all part of a larger storm system that's pulling out through the plain states. You can see the active tornado watch boxes, areas like Dallas, Oklahoma City, portions of Missouri into western Arkansas. And there's actually some snow on the backside to portions of the southern Rockies. So you can see that warmth that's being pulled up in advance of that front, but unfortunately the front's not going to have a whole lot of moisture by the time it reaches us. Meanwhile, in the tropics, this is Tropical Storm Rafael, about 175 miles south of Kingston, Jamaica. It will make impact there. It will make impact across Cuba, and eventually by mid to late week start to make a movement into the Gulf of Mexico. So that'll be the next storm system that we'll be watching closely. It is forecast to become a Cat 2, then maybe weaken to a Cat 1, and by the weekend impacting areas maybe from Alabama to the Texas coast. So something to watch there. Of course, the hurricane season extends through the end of this month. In the morning, 40s and 50s. Election Day looking nice and mild. Temperatures in the low 70s. On Wednesday, we'll start the morning in the 50s. A little bit more clouds mixed with our sunshine, but that front kind of weakens as it gets closer. But that breeze and the southerly winds will pump those temperatures up in the upper 70s to around 80 there on Wednesday. Mid 40s to low 50s here for tonight. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Warmth peaking out on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday temperatures will start to come back down. Maybe that shower chance Thursday, better opportunity on Sunday, which right now will be the coolest day of the 7-day, and next Monday's Veterans Day, which right now looks good. Temperatures back in the low 70s.
All right, Eric, thank you.